Imagine a world where digital currencies are as stable as traditional ones. This is the world that the PiNetwork envisions, with its unique approach to cryptocurrency. Pi is a new type of digital currency, aiming to be used for everyday transactions, just like dollars or euros. What sets Pi apart is its ambitious valuation. One Pi is designed to be equivalent to 314,159 US dollars. This valuation is derived from a complex formula that takes into account various factors, including the total supply of Pi, the number of users on the network, and the overall growth of the Pi ecosystem. This high valuation is intended to reflect Pi's long-term potential and its ambition to become a major player in the global financial system. While still in its early stages, Pi has already garnered significant attention from both cryptocurrency enthusiasts and mainstream audiences. The idea behind Pi is simple: to create a digital currency that is accessible to everyone and can be used for everyday transactions, while also maintaining a stable value. Whether Pi can achieve this ambitious goal remains to be seen, but the project's innovative approach and growing community have generated a lot of excitement. Before we dive deeper into Pi, let's talk about stablecoins. In the often volatile world of cryptocurrency, stablecoins offer a haven of predictability. They aim to maintain a stable value, typically pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar, or a commodity like gold. This stability is crucial for wider adoption. Imagine trying to buy groceries with a cryptocurrency that fluctuates wildly in value every minute. Stablecoins address this problem, making them more suitable for everyday transactions. There are different mechanisms to achieve stability. Some stablecoins are backed by reserves of fiat currency, while others use algorithms to adjust supply and demand. Pi's approach is unique, relying on its large and active community to maintain its stability. The more people use, hold, and trust Pi, the more stable its value becomes. This community-driven approach is at the heart of Pi's vision for a more inclusive and accessible financial system. Pi's stability and functionality are closely tied to the Stellar network, a decentralized and open-source platform for transferring digital assets. Think of Stellar as the highway upon which Pi travels, enabling fast, low-cost transactions across the globe. Stellar's technology is designed for efficiency and scalability. It can process thousands of transactions per second, making it suitable for handling a large volume of Pi transactions as the network grows. Moreover, Stellar's low transaction fees make it ideal for micropayments, further enhancing Pi's potential for everyday use. But Stellar's role goes beyond simply processing transactions. Its decentralized nature ensures that no single entity controls Pi, promoting transparency and security. This is in stark contrast to traditional financial systems, which are often opaque and controlled by a select few. By leveraging Stellar's robust infrastructure, Pi benefits from a secure and efficient platform that can support its ambitious goals of global adoption and financial inclusion. Now, imagine you need real-time information about your Pi transactions. That's where Horizon comes in. Horizon is an API that allows developers to interact with the Stellar network, including accessing data about Pi transactions. Think of Horizon as the customer service portal for Pi. It provides a user-friendly way to track Pi balances, view transaction history, and even build applications on top of the Pi network. This open access to information is crucial for transparency and fosters trust in the Pi ecosystem. Developers can use Horizon to create innovative applications that leverage the unique features of Pi and the Stellar network. This could range from payment processing systems to decentralized marketplaces, unlocking new possibilities for the use of Pi in the real world. In essence, Horizon acts as a bridge between the technical complexities of the Stellar network and the everyday users of Pi, making it easier for everyone to participate in this new financial ecosystem. Section 5. Pi in the real world. Buying a Tesla. Let's bring Pi down to earth with a real-world example. Imagine you want to buy a Tesla and the price is $50,000. With Pi's valuation of $314,159 per coin, you would only need a fraction of a Pi to make the purchase, approximately 0.16 Pi. This example highlights the potential of Pi to simplify large transactions. Instead of dealing with complex wire transfers or hefty bank fees, you could purchase a high-value item with just a fraction of a digital currency. Of course, this scenario assumes widespread adoption of PI as a form of payment. While Pi is not yet accepted by major retailers like Tesla, the project's vision is to create a currency that can be used for everyday transactions, big or small. The success of Pi will depend on its ability to bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds, making it as easy to buy a cup of coffee with Pi as it is to purchase a car. Section 6. The big impact: Pi's potential. Pi's unique approach to cryptocurrency has the potential to disrupt the financial industry in several ways. Firstly, its focus on stability could make it a more attractive option for everyday transactions than other volatile cryptocurrencies. Secondly, Pi's accessibility and ease of use could onboard millions of new users to the world of cryptocurrency, particularly in regions with limited access to traditional banking services. This could foster greater financial inclusion and empower individuals who have been excluded from traditional financial systems. Thirdly, Pi's high valuation, if realized, could create a significant economic impact. It could generate wealth for early adopters and contribute to the growth of the Pi ecosystem, leading to new businesses and job opportunities. However, it's important to remember that potential is not a guarantee. Pi's success will depend on a multitude of factors, including its ability to gain widespread adoption, maintain its stability, and navigate the evolving regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies. Section 7. Challenges and opportunities: a look ahead. While Pi presents an exciting vision for the future of finance, it's not without its challenges. The cryptocurrency space is highly competitive, and Pi will need to overcome hurdles to achieve mainstream adoption. One challenge is regulatory uncertainty. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and Pi will need to adapt to evolving regulations to ensure its long-term viability. Building trust and transparency will be crucial to navigating this complex landscape. Another challenge is security. As with any digital asset, Pi will need to safeguard against hacking and fraud attempts. Ensuring the security of the PiNetwork and protecting users' funds will be paramount to building confidence in the platform. Despite these challenges, Pi also presents significant opportunities. Its community-driven approach has the potential to create a loyal and engaged user base. By fostering innovation and encouraging the development of Pi-based applications, the project can unlock new use cases and drive adoption. Section 8. Pi and the future of finance. The rise of cryptocurrencies like Pi represents a paradigm shift in the financial landscape. Traditional financial systems are being challenged by decentralized, transparent, and accessible alternatives. Pi, with its focus on stability and everyday usability, is positioned to play a significant role in this transformation. Imagine a future where cross-border payments are instant and feeless, where individuals have greater control over their finances, and where access to financial services is no longer a barrier to economic empowerment. This is the future that Pi and other innovative cryptocurrencies are working towards. The journey won't be without its bumps, but the potential impact on global finance is undeniable. As we move towards a more digital and interconnected world, cryptocurrencies like Pi offer a glimpse into a future where financial systems are more inclusive, efficient, and empowering. Section 9, the final word: a new era of stability. Pi's journey is just beginning. Its ambitious valuation, community-driven approach, and vision for a stable and accessible cryptocurrency have captured the attention of many. Whether Pi can fulfill its potential and revolutionize the financial landscape remains to be seen. The coming years will be critical for Pi's development. Overcoming regulatory hurdles, ensuring security, and achieving widespread adoption will be crucial to its success. However, the project's innovative approach and passionate community should not be underestimated. If Pi can deliver on its promises, it has the potential to usher in a new era of stability and accessibility in the world of cryptocurrency, bringing the benefits of decentralized finance to the mainstream. Only time will tell if Pi can live up to its lofty goals. But one thing is certain: the world is watching.